In this video, you will learn how to grade a second attempt of a test. So the easiest way to locate it is to click in the Overview tab, and then you will just, on the needs grading, you'll go ahead and look for that item. So for me, it's going to be Unit 1 through 4 test, and I'm going to click on it. Now, once I've clicked on it, I will see the student who needs to be graded, who has that second attempt, and I'm just going to click on their name. Now, once I'm brought in here, I'm automatically brought to the second attempt. So just as a note, if you do not use the Overview tab and you go a different way that makes sense to you, you'll still be brought to the second attempt automatically. Now, on any test or quiz, if you notice that there is no score in the top right, that means that you have essay questions that require you to put in a manual grade. So I'm going to look for my essay questions and I'm going to type in the score. So I have an essay question on question 2. I also see one on question 4. Now you will provide an actual proper score. This is for demo purposes only. And then I'm just going to keep looking for all of my essay questions. And I believe I have found all of them, because once I have found all of them, I will see a little score here. Now, this is just a few helpful tips and tricks. Always just keep an eye on your fill in the blank, because if a student makes a spelling error or accidentally adds a typo, it will mark a fill in the blank as wrong. So always just keep an eye on those and make sure that if the score looks off, that you are actually taking a peek at those. Now, once I've graded everything and I see my score in the top right, I want to look for my overall feedback, and specifically in this text box, and I can click in here, and what I can say, for example, is much improved, or you can say something different, but I can provide feedback. And then don't forget, you can use the Audio Video Studio to add a personal layer of feedback if you would like. And then if whatever feedback you choose, you can come to the bottom and click Save, and then you can just go ahead and exit out, and it should be posted for you. And that's how you grade a test or a quiz with a second attempt. Thanks for watching. Bye.